Time to blow up a condom with air, and then blow it up with fire.
You're good at that, Dan. Keep on.
Boy, like your daddy taught you.
Get it big. Like that big. It's fucking making sense.
Oh, fuck.
I'm getting away, nigga. Do 2 more deep breaths. Okay, that's huge. Wait, turn.
Yeah, turn to the camera and see how big it is. Holy shit.
Alright, that's good.
Oh, God.
Here
comes the good part.
Oh.
I can't hear.
How did that feel? Oh man, alright, stop that.